Now exercise 16, sum number 1. I have made a closed, see the question, you have the book and I think you know the question. I have made a closed right circular cone whose length of the base radius is 15 cm and slant height is 24 cm. Let us calculate the curved surface and the total surface area of that particular cone. R is equal to given 15 cm. R is equal to 15 cm. L equals to small l, that is the slant height, it is 24 cm. We know curved surface area is pi r l. So pi means 22 by 7, r means 15 and l is 24. So just do this calculation part, we get 7920 by 7. So it gives you 1131.42 square centimeter. Now what is the base area? To find the base area also, base area means pi r square, since base is just a circle, so circular area we know pi r square, so it will be pi r square. Pi means 22 by 7, r means 15, so 22 by 7 into 15 into 15. Do this calculation part, we'll get 707.14 square centimeter. So what is the total surface area? Total surface area means curved surface area. Already we know total surface area means base area plus curved surface area. Base area means pi r square, curved surface area pi r l. So pi r into r plus l. Now we have just applied here the formula pi r plus pi r into pi r plus l or pi r square plus pi r l. Pi r square we know that is 707.14 and curved surface area 1131.42. Just do this addition part. So we will get 1838.56 square centimeter. That is the total surface area of the cone. Next sum number 2. What is given? Okay, sum number 2, what is the question? Let us determine the volume of the cone when base area is 1.54 square meter and height is 2.4 meter. And the second part is the length of the base diameter is 21 meter and the slant height is 17.5 meter. Okay, now pi r square is written. Pi r square is given to us, that is 1.54 square meter. H is equal to 2.4 meter. Since height is given 2.4 meter, this volume of the cone is 1/3 pi r square H. So 1/3 into pi r square is given to us. So 1.54, just we will write the value here for pi r square into 2.4. To this calculation part, we will get 1.2 cubic meter. Now the second part, the length of the base diameter is 21 meter. So diameter is given 21 meter. So r will be 21 by 2. So it gives us 10.5. L equals to 17.5. We know L square equals to r square plus h square. Here L square equal to r square plus h square. As this is a L means the slant height. L gives a slant height. Slant height means the hypotenuse. According to the Pythagoras rule, already I have explained, L square equals to r square plus h square. So just apply that formula. H square will be L square minus r square. L means 17.5. R means 21 by 2. So it gives us the calculation part. It gives us H is equal to 14. Next sum number 5. What is the question here? This is the question. If the volume of a right circular cone is 100 pi cubic centimeter and height is 12 centimeter, then let us write by calculating the slant height of the cone. Okay, so what is volume is given as 100 pi, H is equal to 100 pi cubic centimeter, and this is H is equal to 12 centimeter. Volume is, we know, 1/3 pi r square. H is equal to 100 pi. So 1/3 pi r square into 12 equal to 100 pi. So r square equals to, this pi will be cancelled and we will get r square equals to 100 by 4. R equals to square 25. So r equals to 5. So again we know L square equals to r square plus h square. So L will be square root of this whole. So it is coming L is equal to square root of this whole, that is 169 square root, which gives us only 13. 25 plus 144 is equal to 169. So square root of 169 is equal to 13. So this is sum number 5. Next is sum number 6. Sum number 6, what is given? Okay. What is the question? 77 square meter tripod is required to make a right circular conical tent. If the slant height of the tent is 7 meter, then let us write by calculating the base area of the tent. Okay. What is the base area? Curved surface area we know pi RL. Okay. And that is equal to 77 is given to us, and L is equal to 7 meter. That is also given to us. Just put the value here. 22 by 7. L means R we know. R we don't know. We have to find the value of R. Then 22 by 7 into R into L means 7 is equal to 77. Just do this calculation part. We will get R as 7 will be cancelled, and it is coming 77 by 22. 11 2s are 11 7s are 7 by 2, which gives us 3.5. Okay. So this is equal to the, what is the base area? Base area means pi R square. Pi means 22 by 7. R square means 3.5 into 3.5, which is equal to 38.5 square meter. Okay. Next sum number 8. Next sum number 8. Okay. The length of base diameter of a wooden toy of a conical shape is 10 centimeter. The expenditure for polishing whole surface of the toy at the rate of rupees 1.50 square meter is rupees 429. Let us calculate the height of the toy. Let us also determine the quantity of the wood which is required to make the toy. That means we have to find the volume. Okay. So let us write D is given, diameter D is given, this is sum number 8, D is equal to 10. D is given 10 centimeter. So 10 centimeter means R equals to 10 by 2, that is 5 centimeter. Or we can write 0.05 meter. Okay. And the whole surface area, what is the whole surface area? Total cost to polish, that is rupees 429, and its rate is 1.50 per square meter. So total rupees 429 divided by the rate, that is 1.50, will give us the whole surface area, that is 286 square meter. Or we can write 286,000 square centimeter. Okay. Now we know pi R into R plus L is equal to pi R into R plus L. That is the total surface area, that is base area plus curved surface area. So pi R into R plus L, that is equals to this 286,000. From here we know 22 by 7 into 5 plus L is equal to this. From here we find out the value of L. Just do this calculation part, we will get the value of L. When we get the value of L, then we have to find the H. What is the formula? L square equals to R square plus H square. Put the value here L, put the value of R, then we will get the value of H. Okay. When we will get the value of H, then 1/3 pi R square H for volume. Volume is 1/3 pi R square H. R we know, H we know, just put the value here to get the volume. Okay.